Hello guys, welcome my channel. In this video, I will show how to change iPhone 7 Plus display without any experience. This video is only for beginner. So let's begin. These all tools are requirement for this operation. Let's go for work. In my hand, this is the iPhone 7 Plus phone and also broken display. I am working in Switzerland, city of Vevey. Client give this phone for change display. Before change display, I have to check phone condition. Now I turn on phone for check. Wait just a few seconds. After a few seconds later, phone is turned on. I check phone glass broken only, other side is okay. I have to turn off phone. Now first work is I have to remove these two screws using these tools and separate these two screws. After two screws separate, now I use vacuum display opener tools. Using opener tools, just press a little in end of the display, I mean corner of the display, and press up slowly. One important thing, just remember, don't forget to use a white Google when work in broken display. Just press slowly up. Don't try to do it quickly. Take time for better result. Open display from left side. Be careful, right side is display ribbon. Keep hold display on hand and use other hand for unplug for screw. This tool's name is iPhone 7 screwdriver. I use for unplug this 4 screw. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Keep separate all 4 screws. Now I am going to unplug this using my nail. You can also use plastic opener. Attention, one important thing, please unplug battery connector when you change display. You can do it easily by using your nail. Now I am going to unplug front face camera ribbon. Sorry, wrong tools. I need these tools. 1, 2, 3. Keep all screws separate because some screws are different. Some are big and some are small. If you put wrong screw, your display will be broken. Sometimes you show spot on your display screen. For this reason, every time I say keep separate all screw. Well, now remove home button for screw. Done. Now, using star screwdriver, remove front face camera protection screw. Here is 5 screw. 2 are different, 3 are same. Keep separate and remember it. This is ear speaker. I keep it here. Now I remove these 3 screws. Don't forget to keep it separate. and I am also sorry for my bad English. And here is 2 screw. Keep all same place. Here is 1 screw. Remove it. Anyway, separate this middle plate. Here is home button connector. Unplug it. For separate it, I use hot gun. For make it hot. After hot, it easily you can take off it. Now I am trying to unplug home button. Unplug the front camera and proximity sensor. Do it carefully because it is very expensive. Well, I keep with ear speaker. Now I have to remove this plastic bracket. Here is another plastic bracket and I have to remove it. Now it is old display, keep out. This is new display and I am going to fix it. Be careful and take out this plastic. Now fix this middle plate. Watch my video without skip it. You can do it without any problem. Do it slowly. Don't try to do it quickly if you are beginner. Now it is ready to plug screw. Plugged all screw that you removed sometime before. Take a look, your display ribbon is fixed well or not. It's fixed well, look at here. Now I am going to plug home button. Do it slowly that I am showing in my video. Never try to do it quickly. If your home button is damaged, you have to buy a new home button. But fingerprint sensor is not work, so remember it. Do it like that. Done. Now attach it and make it tight using 4 screws. One important thing, I use Filmora video editor for editing my video. You can find Filmora video editor link in my video description and its full version without any crack. And you have to pay nothing for it. Make all screws just tight. Now just check home button fix well or not. And I have to plug this screw and make it tight. I put here little glue. In plastic bracket, glue attached in downside and put in front camera side. Also make glue little plastic. Remove this blue plastic. Make little glue in middle side. Now I am fixing front camera ribbon. I think you can watch clearly what I doing. For make this video I have worked lot of. If it work on your phone, please share my video with your friend and subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, my next all video you can watch fast. So don't be late. Please subscribe my channel. Now, first I have to connect front camera ribbon. Then connect this ribbon protector. Second, connect display connector and touch connector. Also make this and tight well. Now you have to connect display upside. Here is display lock. First lock side attached and press soft both side left and right. Thanks for watching my video.